Hi, yes, I'm Samantha Giroux and I'm the owner of Gallerie V. The gallery came about with an idea a couple of years ago. We've been following my daughter's artwork for years and we've always thought what a great idea for the young amazing artists who never get to spotlight their work to have a physical place to showcase themselves. The first exhibition I approached people in the street who I saw drawing, and we just made posters and put them in the window, and my daughter Vienna, she created Instagram. So that's how it started.
What I hope to achieve in my art is to be able to develop a very classical set of skills. For example, right now I am on the way to being classically trained. That does not necessarily mean I want my work to look like it was from the 19th century, but I think their techniques were just so useful in being able to help the artists express themselves. So I really hope that by having that skill set, I'll be able to really express my ideas through art more freely.
I think it's really important that artists take control of their space and the way their art's exhibited, because obviously, you know, it's their work, and if you're exhibiting someone's work, then it's important that it's a creative person doing that, because there's an art in exhibiting the work. So I think it's a really good experience for young people to exhibit their work. Gallerie V is run by young people, so I can see it sort of getting passed forward and into generations of new young people through the years. I think that would be really special.
My journey with the gallery has been a long one, actually. I think I was the first person really to sort of ask Samantha, can I help in a more integral way? So starting by volunteering and helping set up the initial exhibition, and then her proposing to me to do some more freelance work, as well as having my art exhibited, it just felt like such a wonderful opportunity to be a part of and to help other artists like myself. Could really empathise with that idea.
I discovered Gallerie V when I was walking past on my way to work. I saw the original poster in the window and I thought, wow, what a great opportunity. So I emailed in and then I brought some out of my work and exhibited. And then I followed their Instagram page to keep up with any further exhibitions. Being a young artist, it's exciting and a bit scary at the same time.
Being able to bring friends and family to such a prime location and something that's so central and so in the middle of everything, especially coming into this room that we're in right now, just going straight into it and seeing St. John's Chapel right in the background, it was so surreal to see the two, and I thought that it was a really nice contrast and backdrop for all of these paintings, and yeah, definitely something that was truly incredible.
I hope that the gallery can continue as it is now. It's really picking up pace. It's developing a whole life and momentum of its own this year. In the future, I hope to see more and more talented, creative people in this age group submit their work and just experience being here in the gallery.